So we thought we'd show before and after on the hull. So here's Ava Grace just out of the water, showing all the staining and growth on the hull. Never liked around that bow thruster. Here's some of the deeper staining. And down the other side, we know we've got some blisters as well to deal with. This was the worst side for staining, actually, on the waterline. Ground the blisters out and getting ready to fare them in. We used brick acid actually on the hull itself to clean it up. Here we've got the first layer of primer on. Looking much better. Now we move on to the first coat of anti-foul. Still got all the masking tape on. Needs a second coat. And now after the reveal, we also changed the coach lining. We changed that to a blue, so the whole bottom is navy blue, and the coach lining is a navy blue as well, and it just neatens the hull up, and especially after the polish, she looks $1 million in my eyes. Down the other side, everything looks nice, clean and polished, ready to go back in the